GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi children! In the previous video, we have covered the topic practice time. In this video, let us cover the topics Women's Meanker Bank, Practice Time, and Why Don't We Start a New Dry Fish Factory. Now, let us get into the topic Women's Meanker Bank. Children, we have some information here. Let us read it. The meeting of the Meanker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. Children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. How much money does the group collect each month? Let us see. See, Meanker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president and 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Let us write that point that 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. So, each saves rupees 25 every month. That means we need to multiply 20 into 25 because there are 20 members and they save rupees 25 every month. If we multiply these both, we will get how much money does the group collect each month. So, 20 into 25, that is nothing but 25 twos are 50 and we have a 0 here, that is 500. 25 twos are 50 and we have a 0, so it is 500 rupees. So, the money collected by the group each month is rupees 500. Let us write. The money collected by the group each month is rupees 500. Now, let us see the second question. How much money will be collected in 10 years? Let us see. In the previous question, we got that the 20 members collect rupees 500 per month. So, let us write that. 20 fisherwomen together collects rupees 500 per month. So, they collect rupees 500 per month. Now, let us see how much money is collected for 1 year. Money collected for For 1 year, we have 12 months. And per month, they collect total 500 rupees. So, how can we calculate?
Hey, we need to multiply 500 with 12.
Yes, as we have 12 months and per month they collect 500. So, if we multiply 12 into 500, we get the total money they collect in 1 year. So, 12 fives are 60 and we have 2 zeros. Let us write. 12 fives are 60. We have 2 zeros. We have written it is nothing but 6,000 rupees. So they collect 6,000 rupees for 1 year. But the question is, how much money will be collected in 10 years? If you see, for 1 year, if they collect 6,000 rupees, for 10 years, how much will they collect? That is, money collected for 10 years. How can we calculate? Yes, if we multiply 10 into 6,000. See, 6,000 rupees is the amount they collect for 1 year. And 10 is nothing but 10 years. So, 6,000 into 10. Now, see, 6,000 into 10. Nothing. 6 into 1, 6. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Let us write 4 zeros. If the numbers are big, simply multiply 6 into 1, 6. We have 4 zeros. I have written 4 zeros. That is nothing but 60,000 rupees. So, they together collect 60,000 rupees for 10 years.
Now,
It is practice time. Children, there is some information. Let us read it. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a log boat. So, they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest.
children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank?
Let us see. First, they have given that Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. So let us write the given information first. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. So, she paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. And the question is that how much money did she pay back to the bank? See, she has been paying rupees 345 every month for 1 year. So, to find out the answer for this question, we need to multiply 12 into 345 because an year has 12 months. She is paying rupees 345 every month. So, we can find out how much money she has paid back to the bank. So, the money or the total money paid back to the bank is equal to 12 into 345. 12 is the number of months in a year and 345 is she is paying to the bank per month. Let us multiply 12 into 345. 345 into 12. 2 5s are 10. Write 1 here and 0 here. 2 4s are 8. We have 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 3s are 6. Now we have 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. So, I have multiplied 2 with 345 and 1 with 345. Now, if I add these numbers, I will get the answer. 0, 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1 here and write 4 here. Now, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1 here and 1 here. Now 3 plus 1, 4. So we got 12 into 345 as 4140. So the total money paid back to the bank is 4140 rupees.
Now, let us see the next question. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month?
Let us see. It is given that Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. Let us write. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. Let us write. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. We need to find how much did they pay back every month. See, they paid 23,520 520 in 1 year. We need to find how much did they pay per month. So, an year has 12 months. So, for an year, they paid 23,520 and we have 12 months in an year. So, how do we calculate?
Hey, we need to divide 23,520 by 12.
Yes, if we divide 23,520 by 12, we will get how much did they pay per month. 23,520 by 12. Now, let us use 6 table to cancel. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. We have 5 as the remainder. 6 9s are 54. We have 1 as the remainder. 6 2s are 12 and we have a 0. Let us write 0. So, 6 3s are 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. So, now we have 55. 6 9s are 54. So, 55 minus 54 gives 1. I have written here. Now, I have 12. 6 2s are 12. And 0 I have written directly. Now, we have 3,920 by 2. 3,920 by 2. Now, let us cancel these numbers using 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining. 2 nines are 18. 1 is remaining. 2 6 are 12 and 0. So, it gives 1,960 rupees. So, Jhansi and her sister paid 1,960 rupees every month. Let us write. Jhansi and her sister paid rupees 1,960 every month.
Children, we have some information here. Let us see the information. Earlier, women did not go on the boat to fish. But now, Jhansi and some others are going on the boats during the day. Things are changing now and their bank helps them. They have also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. Now, let us get into the topic. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory?
Children, here is some information. Let us read it. The women of Meenkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The Panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost.
Children, we have a table here. In this table, we have item, price of each item, number of items and total cost of each item. Children, let us see each item. Borewell for fresh water is rupees 3000, which is of one item. Bamboo rack for fish drying is rupees 2000, which are of 20 items. Cement tank is rupees 1000, which are of 4 items. Tray and knife is rupees 300, which are of 20 items. Bucket is rupees 75, which are of 20 items. Children, now you need to find the total cost of each item.
Let us find. Children, for finding total cost of each item, we need to multiply price of each item with the number of items. First, let us find the total cost of each item. First one is borewell for fresh water. See, we have 3001. 3000 into 1 is 3000. So, the total cost of borewell for fresh water is rupees 3000. Now, let us find the total cost for bamboo rack for fish drying. Let us multiply 2000 into 20. Children, 2 2s are 4 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So, rupees 4 and 4 zeros is nothing but 40,000. So, the total cost of bamboo rack for fish drying is rupees 40,000. Let us see for cement tank. We have 1000 rupees into 4 number of items. So, 1000 into 4 is nothing but 4000. Let us write. So, the total cost of cement tank is rupees 4000. Now, let us see for tray and knife. 300 into 20. 3 2s are 6 and we have 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, that is nothing but rupees 6000. So, the total cost of tray and knife is rupees 6000. Let us see for the last one, which is bucket. 75 into 20. 75 2s are 150. We have a 0, so it is 1500. Rupees 1500 or 1500. So, the total cost of bucket is rupees 1500. Now, here we have a question. Total cost to set up the factory. See, we found out the individual items cost. Now, to find total cost, we need to add all the costs. So, let us add and write the answer. Now, let us add the cost of all the items. 3000 plus 40,000 is 43,000. 43,000 plus 4,000 is 47,000. 47,000 plus 6,000 is 53,000. 53,000 plus 1,500 is 54,500. So, the total cost of all the items is rupees 54,500. Let us write. Rupees 54,500. So, the total cost to set up the factory is rupees 54,500.
Children, when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight.
In a month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish.
Children, we have a question here related to these two sentences. Let us see the question. How much dried fish will they get in a month?
Let us see. Children, when a fresh fish is dried, it is becoming 1/3 of its weight. And per month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. So, how do we need to calculate?
Hey, we need to multiply 6,000 into 1/3.
Yes, we can multiply 6,000 into 1/3. 6,000 is nothing but per month they are drying 6,000 kg of fresh fish. And 1/3 is nothing but after becoming dry, they are becoming 1/3 of its weight. So, 6,000 into 1 is 6,000 by 3. Now let us solve. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. We have 3 zeros. So, 3 into 2,000 is 6,000 or 6,000 by 3 is 2,000. So, how much dried fish will they get in a month is they get 2,000 kg of dried fish in a month. Let us write. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.